My name is Xavier, also known as DroneXfactor. I am a drone enthusiast, hobbyist, as well as a commercial drone operator. If you're a YouTuber that's now starting out and you've always wanted to incorporate drone shots into your transitions, maybe to change from one scene to another, you're not looking for anything high-tech, this drone is absolutely capable for YouTube footage. 2.7K is more than enough for YouTube footage. Most YouTubers shoot in 1080p. They might shoot in 4K and then down res to 1080p. You can shoot in 2.7 and down res to 1080p, so it doesn't have the highest dynamic range. Well, guess what? Most people spend a ton of money on drones because it's all spec'd out and it's packed with features. And then when they do get those equipment, they don't even use half the features. They don't even use half the specs. The DJI Mavic Mini, at the price point it comes in, if you're now thinking about starting a YouTube channel, pair that with an Osmo Action if you're an action type person. Pair that with a Osmo Pocket if you're a vlogging type of person, with an external mic on either one. And you've got yourself a capable YouTube starter set up so you can get out there and start sharing your ideas and your visions and your thoughts on whatever it is that you want to make videos about. So this is exciting news. As simple as this drone is, it is so exciting because of what it brings to the hobby, the new people that it brings into the hobby. I'm so excited for this drone and I can't wait to fly it. I'm still giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pros or Zooms. Head over to my Patreon account, donate $1, become a patron, and automatically you're entered to win a chance to win one of 6 of those drones. Guys, let's make this happen. Come on, support me and help me support you.